Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply remove your all watch history from your Netflix app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, what you will have to go do is, instead of going to your Netflix, you will have to go to your phone browser and you will have to get logged in your phone browser. Over here, then this kind of interface you will see. Then what you will do is simply tap on this three horizontal line given on your top left corner. Tap on it. You can simply see this. Then you will simply tap option called account, and here you can see all the information of your account. Simply go here and choose the particular account that you would like to remove your history here from. Then you will simply tap on that particular account and you can see this viewing activity option over there. Simply tap on this view option given beside, tap on it, and then you can see all of the viewing history that. And if you want to hide all of your history from here, what you will do is simply swipe down. Then you will see this option called hide all. Right, if you tap over here, you can say this: yes, hide all my viewings. Are you sure? Because like if you hide all of your activities, that means you won't be able to get them again. So simply just tap in this: yes, hide all my viewing activity over there, and then your activities will be hidden. So yeah guys, this is how you can simply hide all of your watch history, all of your history from your Netflix app. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.